Well, Starbucks might have made it famous, but pressure cookers made it super easy, and I'm talking about Instant Pot egg bites, those fabulous things that people pay way too much for when they go to Starbucks. So today I'm going to show you how to make pressure cooker egg bites that you can make in a matter of minutes in your own home. And if you're looking for more quick and easy pressure cooker recipes, you have definitely found the right channel. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I come out with new videos every week. Welcome back to the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. My name is Heather and I am the author of 2 authorized Instant Pot cookbooks. I'll put links to those below. I also have a free PDF for you, so hang with me. I'll tell you about that a little bit later. Let's get to it. Today we are going to do those wonderfully famous Instant Pot egg bites. And this is such a quick and easy way to get breakfast on your table. And it's delicious. And it's one heck of a lot cheaper than going to Starbucks. All right, we are gonna start with 6 eggs, and I am going to try not to make a mess. You're gonna wanna toss those into your blender. Look, no mess. And all we're going to add is a little bit of cottage cheese to give it a really nice creaminess. A lot of people ask if you can make it without the cottage cheese. Honestly, I've never done it. I do believe you can. It just won't be quite as fluffy and creamy. And the last thing I'm going to add is a half a cup of shredded Gruyere cheese. It is fabulous. Gruyere, it is worth the price you pay for it, I promise. Okay, now I am going to blend this up just for 30 seconds to get it nice and fluffy and airy. A lot of people put toppings inside this batter. You can certainly do that. I prefer to save the toppings for the end so they're nice and crisp. I'm gonna put some bacon on. Oh, it's gonna be fabulous. All right, blend it up for 30 seconds and then we are going to fill our silicone tray for the egg bites. Now, this silicone cup tray is specifically designed to go in pressure cookers. It can withstand the heat and the pressure and all kinds of stuff. All you want to do is get one of these. They're super cheap. I'll put a link below. You can find them all over Amazon. And then spray it with non-stick spray because when you want them to come out, you don't want them to stick. So what I do is set it directly on top of my trivet that has the handles. Now, if you don't have a trivet with handles, go ahead and just fill it, but you're going to want to put an aluminum foil sling on the bottom so you can gradually lower this into the Instant Pot because it can get a little messy. So let's fill it. You want to do about 3/4 full for each cup, maybe a little bit more than that, depending on how steady your hands are. All right, so my batter is all blended up. Again, you can put crumbled bacon or chives or whatever in here. I am going to do it later, but there is no wrong way to do that. Okay, so they are full, as you can see. That was about 6 eggs worth. Now I'm gonna lower it into the Instant Pot and then pressure cook it on high for 8 minutes and then naturally release for 5. By the way, I do see people with recipes that say you have to cook these on low. I'm not quite sure why, because they're delicious on high pressure. So if you want to try it on low, in fact, I'm curious, put a comment below. Have you tried egg bites on low pressure? And what's the difference? I'd like to know. As is always the case with pressure cookers, you do need to have a cup of water so it will come to pressure. So I got my water in there. Now it is time to lower these egg bites without spilling them into my pressure cooker. Another thing, you can cover them or not cover them. If you don't cover them, you'll just have to blot the tops dry or just go ahead and put foil or the lid right on top of your egg bite container. And in they go for 8 minutes and then naturally release for 5. Okay, so 8 minutes plus 5 for a natural release. And I just released the remaining pressure. We're gonna check them out and then you won't really be able to see them very well until I put them on the plate. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. You guys, these are so perfect and easy. Again, I'm doing the Gruyere topped with bacon. It is traditionally done with green onions, but I'm actually going to top them with a little jalapeno because I do kind of like it spicy. Now, this is what they look like when they come out. You can see the ones that I sort of overfilled a little bit versus the other ones. All you're gonna wanna do is run a knife or a spoon around the inside of the silicone and put them upside down on your plate. See, look at how perfect when it comes out. It just slides right out of there. Let me throw a couple on the plate and we're gonna add some toppings and taste them, my favorite part. Okay, so 2 or 3 on a plate I think is the perfect serving size. And again, use whatever toppings you want. I have some fresh crumbled bacon here, which really, can you ever go wrong with bacon? No. And again, I do like to top it with some jalapeno, but please feel free to use green onion, which is what a lot of people like to put on it. And it's got that Gruyere in there. It's fluffy. Oh my gosh, you guys, hold on. I just cannot wait to get some of that bacon. There is a reason that Starbucks is making $1 bazillion on these. The good news is you no longer have to pay for them. So thank you for watching the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. And if you liked this video and want to give these a try, please give it a thumbs up. And in the meantime, happy cooking and happy eating.